Why are there not more people talking about transforming your career with the hottest courses? You need to watch this if you struggle with finding the right path. At Digimation, we offer the hottest courses that can transform your career. Imagine diving into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning and getting ahead with the most in-demand tech skills. Ready to build stunning websites? Our web development courses cover front-end, back-end, and everything in between. Dominate the online world with digital marketing. Learn strategies to drive traffic, leads, and sales like a pro. Curious about data science? Become a data wizard and turn raw numbers into valuable insights. And for those of you wanting to be the hero in the tech space, our cybersecurity courses will teach you how to protect the digital world from cyber threats. Why Digimation? Expert mentors, real-world projects, certifications that matter. Ready to level up your skills and secure a high-paying job? The future is digital and your journey starts here. Enroll now at Digimation.